I'm going to show you how to make money online in 2025. And more importantly, this method is perfect for beginners. I always try to find the best methods that are simple and easy to understand for beginners because most people that are viewing these videos are going to be complete beginners. And I've also found a free traffic method that you can use so you don't have to go and do any paid advertising with this method. More importantly, this method is worldwide. So you could do this from anywhere. You could be down here. You could be in a boat over here, a boat over here. You could be over here. You could be over here, over here, over here, over here. You could be anywhere in the world and you can do this method. And more importantly, we can actually use AI to do this, to make this much easier to do. And so you can make money online without putting in a crazy amount of work. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make money online in 2025 for beginners. All right, guys. So with my methods, I always try and find you guys the best ones that are not complicated. So this one is free. So essentially free traffic. It's simple to do. It's simple to get traffic. It's easy to understand, and you can be a complete beginner to do this. Now, this particular method will make money online, but there is a little bit of work that needs to be put in to get this going. But I'm going to show you some results as well. And I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know. But the best thing about this method is if you are a beginner, you can follow along with this. And with my channel, I always understand that most of the people coming to my videos are going to be brand new to trying to make money online, because you probably just typed online how to make money online or something like that, and you've come across this video. And I do understand that a majority of my audience is brand new to making money. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is you want to go into Google and put in Pinterest trends. What this is going to do is it's going to take you to this page here. And what we can do is we can actually go down and we can see what's trending on Pinterest. What I've done is I've found a couple of things that are trending, and I'm going to go over this in a second, and I'm going to show you how this all works with the product and offer and everything in this video. So a few things that I've noticed with this is one of the main right now is nails, okay? So if we go down here, we've got summer nails. We've got just nails in general. We've got acrylic nails on Pinterest. And so I want to show you two types of things here. First of all, you want to go to growing trend, growing trends, go to top monthly trends. And you want to find the top monthly trends. Right now it's nails, and based on search volume, this is the top one. If we click on this, it shows us everything we need to know for nails in the last year. We want the last year of data. We can see that this product has been on a very good increase over the last year. Now, the reason we want that data going back to a year or even 2 years or 3 years, we want to know that the main niche that we're getting into is an evergreen niche that is not just going to be going up 1 month and down the next. It needs to be consistent for this method. And we go down here and it shows us the demographics. So mainly female, and that makes sense because most females are on Pinterest. That's the biggest audience here, and it's nails, female nails. So we've got our age groups and everything right here. So we could potentially use that for advertising if we wanted to, but we're not going to be doing that in this video. But we have all of the data here that we need. Then another one that I found is acrylic nails Pinterest. The best thing about this one is it's actually started popping off right now. You'll see that it's not consistent over the year. What this means is nails in general have been consistent, and then the acrylic nails Pinterest has just started going up now. Now, this is pretty cool because what this tells us is nails in general is long-term, and then every so often, there's probably going to be a sub-niche to that. So acrylic nails, that's popping off right now. So there's lots of options we have here and lots of things we can dive into and just lots of ways to make money here. That's kind of what I'm seeing. So nails is going to be the most popular thing we're going to do here. There's also hairstyles as well and outfit ideas, but we're just going to focus on nails because it's a good long-term search term, and it's got these little subcategories that pop off every now and then. You just got to keep searching in the trends, okay? So now what do we do? The next thing we need to do is I'm going to take you through how to create some content and then how we can actually make money with this. So the next step is we can actually go to Amazon here, and we have these nails, right? I don't know anything about nails. I'm a male. This is for females and stuff, or whatever. But this is, I don't know if these are acrylic nails or anything, but these are nails that are sold on Amazon, okay? These ones are pretty cool. They look like shoes with a little thing on the front, a bow there. They look like they're trying to imitate shoes there. There we go. Look, I'm learning about nails. And there's something going on here. But we have nails that we can potentially make money from this. So how do we make money from this stuff? you can actually sign up to what's called the Amazon Associates platform, where you get a commission every time you actually promote one of these products. You just go to the menu here and you go to generate links to products and more. And that's going to give you an affiliate link. But what we'll do is we'll come back to that once we are ready for that stage. The next thing is we need to go ahead and do some content for Pinterest. Now, I want to show you guys something really cool. So I did a video not long ago about promoting this specific thing here, and it got 57 impressions and 10 clicks. And this is a lesson I want to give you guys when it comes to making money online. 99% of people are going to watch this video and they're either going to post one post and never do anything again or never do anything at all. You need to have consistency. If you post 10 images that get this amount of views, impressions, you get over 500, and it compounds over time, and then you're going to get virals in between that as well. So if you're going to be lazy and you're not going to do that, well, then this might not be for you, but you need to post consistently to get results to start making money online. But that's just a really cool thing. We posted this for a tutorial. I didn't even put any effort into this. I posted this as a tutorial, okay, in one of my other videos, and we got some clicks and we got some impressions. Super easy. So the next step is we want to go ahead and use ChatGPT, and we want to do a few things here. We want to do two things. First of all, I'm going to say this to ChatGPT, and I'm going to get some information. I would like you to give me some tips on how to put nails on fingers, or the best nails from Amazon, or just something that I can post online in a Pinterest pin format. All right, so what we do is I use ChatGPT in most of my businesses now, but this is what we're going to do, okay? How to apply press-on nails like a pro. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and I'm going to do this. Super simple. I'm going to do two things actually. First of all, I'm going to say this. I'm going to paste this in here. And I'm going to say this. Write me a 600-word blog article on this topic that I can post online. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to first do a couple of things. We're going to ask it to write a 600-word blog article on this topic that we can post online. It can be 500 words, 600 words, 700 words, 800 words. It doesn't actually matter. The reason why we want to do this is because we want to build something that people can read and convert them into sales, okay? So very simple here. We have this, and we're going to just let this run, and then I'll show you what we need to do next. Now, I would highly recommend that you clean this up, okay? That's going to be your responsibility to clean the article up, okay? So I'm going to clean it up a little bit here, and then I'll be back. All right, so I've cleaned this up, and what you want to do is go to a website called medium.com, sign up to medium.com, and then go to write. Now, we're not using this to rank in Google or anything like that. We're just using it for a free platform where we can send people to, and we're going to put in our little article here. Very easy, okay? We're going to put in our article, and we're just going to put a title in here, which I've got here. We're going to get this title, and we're going to put this in here, and we're going to do a little space. Now, like I said, I haven't cleaned this up very well, but then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to go to like Amazon. So you see this little break here. We want to have a little clear thing here. We want to go to Amazon, and we want to, for example, take this photo here, take a snapshot of this, and you want to go ahead and upload it to here. And then we're going to just say something like, you need to clean this up, right? I'm just doing this for this tutorial, but you need to clean it up. And I'm going to say something like, want to buy these nails, click here. And then what you're going to do is your affiliate link from Amazon. So you would go into the Amazon Associates platform and you'll get the affiliate link. They've got tutorials on how to do that, generate links and products and more. You could Google that as well. And then you're going to get that link and you're going to go to here and you're going to push this button here and you're going to put your link in, your affiliate link. So when someone clicks this, it's going to take them to that page, okay? And we're going to clean this up a little bit here. Want to buy these. And then you can also put your affiliate links inside the blog post as well. But what you want to do is you kind of, like, I've probably given a bad example of ChatGPT, but get ChatGPT to maybe write some sort of salesy letter or something like that. Put it in here, clean it up, and then get this going, okay? And then you put some more affiliate links down here, put some at the end as well. put affiliate links in your blog. The next step is we need to go to ChatGPT here. And now what I want to do is say this. Now make me a Pinterest pin that I can post on Pinterest on how to apply press-on nails like a pro. Make sure it's in a tutorial type form, and then create me a clean pin that I can post on Pinterest. Right, I have no idea what it's done. Oh, it's got my website in there for some reason. I'm going to say, yes, please create the pin now for me. So we're going to get this thing to create the pin. But there's also another way that you can do it, but it's way harder. You can go to Canva and you can put in Pinterest pin. And you can actually use a Canva template if you like. But I would recommend just sticking to ChatGPT because it's so much easier. It does a pretty good job now at creating what you want. It's pretty advanced. And I think there's a new version coming out next month as well. That's going to be even better. But you can use Canva if you like. They have pre-made pins that you can actually use. You just have to edit them around. Or you could take a snapshot of one of these pins and say to ChatGPT, this is the kind of style you want to go with. But here we go. It's created us a pin. Now, I do want to let you guys know that the quality doesn't have to be amazing because you're going to be pumping out so many of these pins. This is the most important part. You need to be pumping these out all the time, 5, 6, 10 a day. And then what happens is it compounds over time, okay? And the best thing is because we're actually using traffic from the actual Pinterest trends, so we know that this gets high search volume, everything stays congruent because we're getting traffic from Pinterest that is targeted. So basically we are trying to target the biggest trends on the platform right now. And then we're linking that to these specific products that are related to the niche. So there's a high chance of people actually buying these products and you getting a commission because of the way this is actually set up. So let's have a look at the pin. All right, so now this is done. Now remember guys, this doesn't matter too much what it looks like and stuff because you're going to be posting a lot of these. What you want to do is post like tips and all that sort of stuff and then mix it up with actually promoting nails as well. Like I could say to ChatGPT, give me a Pinterest pin, and I can put in the Amazon link and I can say, I'm going to promote these specific nails. Give me a Pinterest pin. There's all sorts of different things that you can do. I'm just giving you some ideas. So now I'm going to download this pin right here and I'm going to go ahead and use this. So the next thing we want to do is we want to first of all publish this post. Okay. And remember that we're not worried about ranking this in Google or anything like that. We just want a page that we can send people. Very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. It says I'm currently not eligible to make money. That doesn't matter. I'm going to go back to Pinterest here, into my Pinterest pins here, and we're simply going to post another pin. Now, keep in mind, you're going to have like a Pinterest related around your specific topic. So the next thing is you want to go ahead and create a pin. Now, I just had to go into my business hub for this, but I'm going to go create a pin. And then this is the pin right here, and I'm going to upload my image. All right, so now I have an image loaded and we just need to do a few more things. We need to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to say this, give me a title and a description for Pinterest that is search engine optimized for the word nails and acrylic nails so I can put it onto Pinterest. Now this should be centered around this particular image, hopefully, but it'll give us some stuff. But while it's doing that, take your link from this blog post and then put it down into here. Okay, so when people click the image, they're going to go to that blog post. And then we're going to go back to here and it's given us a title here. And we'll go back to here. My apologies. It's given us a description and some hashtags. And that's it. And now, oh, sorry, there it goes there. And then the title. Now I'm going to post this and leave this on here. So when we do another video, I'll show you guys that it actually works. We're going to now go post immediately, and we're going to publish this. So now when someone clicks on this, they're going to go to the blog. But keep in mind, guys, you need to post a lot of this, right? I'm not making any income claims or anything like that. What I'm saying is you need to put in the effort and you need to do like at least 5 to 10 of these per day, every single day to get this going. Just in this 15-minute video, you saw that I did this in 15 minutes and I'm teaching you in a tutorial. So you should be able to do at least 10 in half an hour or an hour. Super easy to do. All right, guys, so when people click on this, they're going to go visit site. It's going to take them to that site where you're going to have your affiliate link. down here, and then it's going to take them to Amazon, where if someone makes a purchase, you're going to get a commission. Super simple way to make money online, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Go down into the description to get access to my group if you want to know more about how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing.